Good afternoon, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about grammar, parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds of classes called parts of speech according to their use in a sentence. The parts of speech are 8 in number. They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First one, noun. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word which denotes a person, thing, or place. Names of a person, names of a place, names of a things or ideas. For example, house, teacher, cup, shop. My teacher is a very nice person. Teacher, noun. Next example, Chennai is a big city. Chennai is a noun, name of a place. Grammar book is useful for students. Grammar book is a noun, name of a thing. Next one, adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word used to describe or qualify nouns is known as an adjective. Simply says describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, short, beautiful, red, old. Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. Huge, adjective. I eat some rice. Some, adjective. Ravi was already there. Already, adjective. Arun is a brilliant student. Brilliant, adjective. Next one, pronoun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. Pronouns are of 3 types. First person, second person, third person. Replace the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. For example, Becky is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. She, pronoun. He is running fast. He, pronoun. I visited Mumbai. This is the capital of Maharashtra. This, pronoun. You can do this work. You, pronoun. She dressed herself. Herself, pronoun. Next one, verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. For example, walk, speak, run, go, eat, draw, swim, shout, is, are. These are verb. Describe an action or experience. For example, run, walk, push, etc. Sophie ran to school because she was late. Ran. Verb. John loves to bake cookies. Bake. Verb. He is healthy. His. Verb. We enjoyed the picnic. Enjoyed. Verb. The girl dances well. Dance. Verb. The teacher shouted loudly. Shouted. Verb. Next one, adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of the verb, an adjective or another adverb, or a word used to explain how, where, when, and why an action is performed. Simply says describe a verb, an adjective or an adverb. The adverb tells us how, often, where or when. For example, slowly, yesterday, always. Sophie is always late for school. Always adverb, late adverb. Last night I slept really well. Last night adverb. Some more examples. She speaks softly. Here softly modifies the verb speaks. Mala speaks English fluently. Fluently adverb. Sheila is very beautiful. Very adverb. She gets up early in the morning. Early adverb. Next one, preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relations the persons or things denoted by it stands in regard to something else. For example, they wasted about their wealth. About preposition. It is good for health. For. The pen is on the table. On. He ran across the road. Across. He is angry with me. With. Preposition describes the place, time, or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. Some more examples: under, above, in, during. The cat jumped over the box. Over preposition. Seventh one, conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. They are after, and, until, but, before, because, or unless, when. Some more examples. We visited Mumbai and Agra last month. And conjunction. You as well as I am going to see the match. As well as. He is neither smart nor honest. Neither. Either you or he has to go to market. Either. Conjunction. Another for connect words, phrases or classes in a sentence. For example, and, but, although, or. I like to watch the television and eat popcorn. And conjunction. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. Whereas. Last one, interjection. The words which are used to express sudden feelings or emotions are called interjections. These words will have no meaning at all if they stand alone. They are halas, oh, ha, wow, whoosh, hello, etc. Certain groups of words are also used to express some sudden feelings or emotions, as ha, me, for, shame, well done, good. For example, what the house caught fire. What? Interjection word. Alas, the soldier is dead. Alas. Hello, how do you do? Hello. Ha, now I understand. Ha. How wise he is. How. So, interjection is an express strong emotions and is often followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow, ho, wow, the view is amazing. Wow is the interjection word. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. Hey, interjection word. Okay children, today's assignment, grammar exercise. Find out the correct underlined words, parts of speech. First one, alas, we have lost. Alas, interjection. Second one, the lion is in the cage. In, preposition. Third one, we are waiting for them. We, pronoun. Fourth one, Raju is my best friend. Best, adjective. Fifth one, he could not attend the conference. Attend, verb. Sixth one, she was anxious to leave. Anxious, adjective. Seventh one, Susie asked me if I wanted to join her. If, conjunction. Eighth one, the teacher asked him to leave the class because he was misbehaving. Because, conjunction. Ninth one, I don't know what I am supposed to do with this. With, preposition. 10th one, Karan wants to become an astronomer. Wants, verb. 11th one, my sister can speak English well. Well, adverb. 12th one, are there any good restaurants in this town? Restaurants, noun. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Read and write given exercise in your rough note. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you.